Welcome guys to a new tutorial. In this tutorial you'll learn how to synchronize your warehouse inventory automatically with the Google Sheet using the n8n. So every time stock changes in your warehouse system, Shopify, Airtable or an API, this workflow updates a Google Sheet, ensuring your team always sees real-time stock data without manual entry. This automation helps warehouse managers, e-commerce owners, and the fulfillment teams maintain accuracy and transparency in inventory tracking. So this workflow will fetch warehouse stock data via API or internal system, format the data for Google Sheets, append or update rows with the latest inventory information, and keep your warehouse spreadsheet always up to date. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the HTTP request, the GET request, the GET warehouse inventory. The purpose is to pull inventory data from our warehouse or backend system. Method will be GET, URL your warehouse system, and what it does is to retrieve an array of products, each containing fields like the product name, the SKU, and the stock quantity. After that, you have the set node to format the data, to clean and rename data so it's ready to send to the Google Sheets. So you see, you have the product name, JSON product name, SKU, value, JSON SKU, the name, that is the quantity, and the JSON stock. And the last update with the date, when was the last update was on new date dot ito string. So what it does, with format your warehouse API data into consistent fields for your Google Sheets. After that, you have the Google Sheet node that will update the inventory. As you can see, operation will be create or update your Google Sheet ID. If SKU, your Google Sheet should have these headers, the product name, the SKU, the quantity, and the last updated. If SKU already exists, it updates the quantity and the date. If not, it appends a new row. And you have the optional Slack node with operation post. His purpose is to send a quick message confirming the sync success. Channel is the inventory updates, and the text is this: inventory sync completed successfully, update item dot length products, and the timestamp when the update was done it. This is a simple workflow, guys, for you to sync the warehouse inventory with the Google Sheets. I hope you love this tutorial also. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.